All right, so we are going to do a quick practice over how to label each word in a sentence. In order to do this, you have to know the functions of those 8 parts of speech. You will have at least one question like this on your assessment. All right, so our first sentence. The cute and fluffy puppy was playing playfully with a ball outside the door. So you could do this multiple ways. You could start with nouns, go through, find all the nouns and label them, and then go through each one. Or, you could just go word for word and look at how it's being used. And that's how I do it. So remember, articles are always adjectives. So let me go ahead, I'm gonna make those red. So ADJ. So cute and fluffy are describing the puppy. So again, those are adjectives. So I'm gonna go ahead and label those. And puppy is my noun. Oh, and there's an and. Remember, those are my Lego pieces, so that's a conjunction. So I'm gonna put a C over it. Was playing, so the is a helping verb and the main verb. So I'm just gonna put a verb over each word. You could put one V over the whole thing if you wanted to as well. How was the puppy playing? Playfully, so it's describing how with the verb, so that's an adverb. With a ball would be a preposition, the adjective, the noun for my prepositional phrase. And again, outside the door, another prepositional phrase. So this would be a prep, this would be an adjective, and this would be a noun. And there's my sentence. All right, let's do the next one. I'll change it to blue. The black schnauzer was a Christmas present from my husband. Okay, so again, starting off, I know the is an adjective because it's my article. And black is describing the schnauzer. So schnauzer is a specific proper noun, type of dog, hence it's capitalized, but black is telling you which one. So that would be an adjective. Okay, schnauzer what was, so this is the verb. A, and the are those articles that are always going to be adjectives. Okay, so present, so the schnauzer was a present. So present is here an adjective. What type of present? Christmas present. Therefore, this would be an adverb because an adverb describes an adjective. And then from my husband is a prepositional phrase. So prep. And so my would be the modifier in there because it tells me whose husband. And then this would be the noun. You could possibly do a pronoun there for a possessive pronoun. I would give you credit either way. All right, and then our last sentence. I will make it green. So, wow, there's my interjection. Going back to my adjective, varsity girls soccer team. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3 adjectives because the main word is team. And so these all tell me which team. So this is an adjective, this is an adjective, whoops, and this was an adjective. All describing the team. What did they do? They won, so that's the verb. There's a possessive pronoun. Championship, game. So game is the noun, championship is the adjective, telling you which game. Conjunction, because there's an and, one of my fanboys. They is a pronoun because it's replacing varsity girls soccer team. Were is a verb. Excited would be an adjective describing they. How excited were they? Very, so that becomes an adverb because it's modifying an adjective. And that is how you label your sentences to see if you're using your parts of speech. So for your 8 parts of speech quiz that you'll have next week, you will have one sentence where you will have to, it'll be multiple choice, obviously, because it'll be in Schoology, where you will have a drop-down menu for each word and you will have to pick which part of speech it is being used as for in that sentence. Remember, always read the sentence completely first, then go back and work on your labeling. And if you struggle, then work on the labels you know, and then that eliminates everything else, and then you can go back and fill in the other spaces. All right, good luck to you guys.